Our goal today is to give the cadets a basic knowledge of patrol dog operations, so that when they go out onto the street, they have an understanding of what we need from them and the best way for them to be able to assist us, so that in cooperation we can be successful.
I was pretty nervous at first because I didn't know how aggressive the dog would actually be. Didn't know, if it missed the sleeve or not. But the dog thinks of it as a game, so the whole time I was just playing tug of war with the dog, and it's actually really fun.
When I had the sleeve on, he just kind of latched on like a dog latching onto a toy, and we just swung him around, and it was actually a lot of fun. Now it gives me a little bit more confidence in saying, oh, I can do that.